Hello and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. Today we've got an exciting word that's going to expand your vocabulary and make you a better communicator. But before we dive into our word of the day, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Drum roll please. The word of the day is expedite. Now, expedite is a super cool word. That means to make something happen faster or to speed up a process. Imagine you have a magical button to make things happen quickly. That's what expedite is all about. To help you understand expedite better, here are 5 easy sentences. Number 1. She asked the chef to expedite her order because she was really hungry. Number 2. They employed their utmost abilities to expedite the rescue mission. Number 3. We need to expedite the project to meet the deadline. Number 4. The postman expedited the delivery of the package. Number 5. Mom asked me to expedite my homework before going out to play. Now, let's explore some synonyms for expedite. First, accelerate. Second, hasten. Third, quickening. Fourth, fast track. And fifth, facilitate. Have you heard of the saying, time is of the essence? It's like saying, let's expedite things because time is important. Now, let's dive into a short story to help you understand expedite better. Meet Raj and Vijay, two best friends who love exploring new places. One day, they decided to go on a picnic to a beautiful valley. Excitement filled the air as they packed their backpacks with sandwiches, snacks, and a map. Raj: Vijay, the weather is perfect for our picnic. Let's expedite our journey to reach the valley before sunset. Vijay: Great idea, Raj. We can take a shortcut through the enchanted forest. As they ventured into the forest, they encountered a magical bridge. Raj: Vijay, look at the bridge. It's set to expedite the journey. Let's cross it. Vijay: Sounds adventurous. On the other side, they found a hidden path leading to the valley. Raj: This path will expedite our arrival. We'll make it in time for a beautiful sunset. Vijay: Thanks to our quick thinking and the magical shortcuts, we expedited our picnic adventure. So dear friends, just like Raj and Vijay expedited their picnic by making things happen quickly, we can expedite tasks in our lives too. And that's a wrap for today's word, expedite. I hope you enjoyed learning this word and its significance in our language. Remember, one word at a time, and you're on your way to becoming a proficient communicator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more new words. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy learning.